Alright. Some of us are not aware that there are some graphic display around the place. So if you do have the time before you leave, please take a look at them and you would be aware as to what is being referred to. In terms of the Putra Heights station, you are asking whether there are further linkages from there, or are you saying you want further explanation on the station itself? Sorry, yeah?
Okay. What we are referring to is we know that route will, all four routes, four alternatives will end up in Jalan Kewajiban. When you reach the LDP junction, what will happen after that? Which route will the LRT travel, which roads will travel to Putra Heights, and which section in Putra Heights the station will be located?
Mr. Ho, I don't have the answer for your question, but when I meet Prasarana next, I will also be forwarding that question to them on your behalf.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.